You are watching Climate Samurai. And this is electric vehicle headlines. Commercial electric vehicle charging equipment market worth over $870 billion by 2050, says Wood Mackenzie. Electrification of commercial vehicle is on the cusp of exponential growth, largely driven by climate policy and decarbonisation goals. Government funding and zero-emission vehicle regulations are strong drivers for commercial electric vehicle (EV) adoption in every region thus far, therefore reducing the primary barrier to commercial EV adoption: cost. According to Wood Mackenzie, this policy support will see the annual market value of electric, bus, and truck charging outlets pass the $200 billion mark by 2045. Triton Electric Vehicle registers India entity by the name of Triton Electric Vehicle India Private Ltd. New Jersey headquartered Triton Electric Vehicle LLC has registered an Indian subsidiary by the name of Triton Electric Vehicles India Private Limited in New Delhi. The newly formed entity will work towards building India as one of the biggest markets for Triton EV outside the US. The manufacturing facility of Triton EV will produce EV cars for the India market and other countries such as Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Nepal, the Middle East region and Africa. Mahindra and Mahindra to reportedly have separate verticals for last mile and personal EVs. The homegrown automobile company and the maker of Scorpio and XUV sports utility vehicles is doubling down on its future electrification strategy. The company is reportedly revamping its electric vehicle business and will have separate verticals for last mile and personal EVs. Citing an internal Circular Economic Times reports that the company has divided the EV business into two verticals: last mile mobility and EV tech center. The last mile mobility division will be headed by Mahesh Babu, whereas the EV tech center division will be headed by Pankaj Sanalkar, and both these CXOs will report to Rajesh Jujurikar. General Motors partners with lithium metal battery startup SolidEnergy Solutions. General Motors Co. has partnered with a lithium metal battery startup SolidEnergy Solutions of Woburn, Massachusetts to boost the U.S. automaker's battery development, allowing for higher electric vehicle driving range in a smaller package. Toyota teases X-Prologue ahead of official launch on March 17. Toyota teased the upcoming electric car X-Prologue, publishing an image ahead of its global debut on March 17. The car will be presented online, and the teaser image has come as a surprise to many. There is limited information on the Toyota X-Prologue. The teaser image reveals that the X-Prologue will feature a C-shaped LED light signature. The vehicle will have a futuristic appearance with a chiseled look. Detail to set up 150 sales outlets for electric vehicles in North India this year. Detail is planning to establish a network of 150 sales outlets in North India for its electric vehicle vertical by the end of this year. The company aims to strengthen its presence in the region with its newly launched range of electric two-wheelers, said the company in a statement. KTC to launch electric vehicles on March 23. The Kadamba Transport Corporation Limited, KTC, is all set to launch the much-awaited electric vehicles on March 23. The company will inaugurate 12-meter buses manufactured by a Hyderabad-based company. Out of 50 electric buses, 30 have already arrived in the state. Rest 20 buses are expected to be delivered just in time for the inauguration. Volkswagen hikes battery cell demand in electric vehicle expansion push. Volkswagen requires about 300 gigawatt-hours worth of battery cells a year by the end of the decade for its ambitious rollout of electric vehicles in Europe, two people familiar with the matter told Reuters. Ola building world's largest two-wheeler manufacturing facility in Tamil Nadu. Ola is building the world's largest two-wheeler manufacturing facility in Tamil Nadu, and it is called Ola Future Factory. It will have annual production capacity of 1 crore vehicles, and will be operational by 2022. The factory spread across a total area of 500 acres, and its megablock will be 43 acres. The facility will roll out one scooter every 2 seconds at full capacity. It will be the most advanced two-wheeler factory, with 3,000 AI-powered robots built on Industry 4.0 principles, said Bhavesh Agarwal, Chairman and Group CEO. StoreDot tech can eliminate the range anxiety in electric vehicle in just 5 minutes. Israeli startup StoreDot has developed technology that can eliminate the range anxiety associated with electric cars. It can turn from flat battery to full charge in just 5 minutes. Ultra-fast recharge specialists StoreDot have developed a first-generation lithium-ion battery that can rival the filling time of a standard car at the pump.
That's all for this week. Have a great day. Visit www.climatesamurai.com for all the updates. Please like, share and subscribe.